Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Kajing bakatanat pule puthi kaya kendo kaladon nadu ki por ki baladem. Hagaba ki Nonghikai ki haban mi sya Surok bandawa ya kahok jongki. Nagalyang u General Secretary ke UDP ba Jemino mautho. Habakren bat ki nong tho kubor ulaong ba ka ka ba udan banong kalong ba ka nong ba shilong kadai ka shlem ai Jinghikai ka ba pau hagisnem baladem. Hagaba ki khna ki wan nakaleng ki Jylla. Ulaong baka sorkar kadai ban pet benya bakimla ban pen kala shimit henry hab ban wanra ya ka jingkala ha ka nikatanan batlada ki Nonghikai ki basam ya ka jingtem kabaki don shaki khenna ken ha ban mi sya Surok nakapor shakapor kane kan wanra ya ka jingja Burom ya ka Jylla bat ka sorkar kadai ban le halor kane.
The education department has been in a mess. And we have different categories of teachers. We have not been able to streamline to bring about uniformity as far as the education sector is concerned. And this problem is not that it is happening today only. Right from before, this problem has been there. Okay, if you talk about successive governments also in the past, they also have experienced this kind of ire from the teaching community. Okay, teachers have been going to the streets time and again. So what I feel is that since Meghalaya, and especially the capital city Shillong, which is known as the knowledge hub, the knowledge city, the center of education, where we have students coming from different parts of the northeast, from different parts of the country also, we really need to examine what is wrong with the education sector in the state of Meghalaya. I'm not saying that we can change things overnight, but what we need to do is to start somewhere. Bring about the much desired change in the education sector, because this is a very, very important sector, and it is about shaping the minds of our children, shaping the minds of our youth, okay, to make them more productive. But if you see the teaching community who are actually providing, the students, okay, with whatever things that they have in them, it's very sad that they have to go to the streets time and again, agitating, demonstrating. So I feel that it is a bad reflection on the part of the state, and I feel that we need to do something in this regard. We need to start somewhere. I have interacted with the teaching communities in the state of Meghalaya right from before. If you remember, when I was an MLA, I had spoken about the provincialization of the services of the teachers also right from that time. And I remember when I interacted with the teaching associations, organizations, I said, we just want to see the sincerity on the part of the government. We know that things cannot be solved overnight. We know that things cannot change overnight. But we want to see the sincerity on the part of the government and the leaders who are in the government. That is what they want to see.